Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning some doors. I'm just catching up on all the tasks that I've been putting off, and one of them is deep cleaning my doors, so join me today. So there's a little bit of marks on this door. I'm going to try and get rid of it. It just needs a good clean. It's been a little bit of a long time before the doors have been having a clean, so let's dive right in. That is it for me today, guys. I hope you guys have found this video to be motivating. I'm sorry it's a little bit short, but it's better than not doing anything at all. So if you guys have enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video, which will be on Friday. You guys have a lovely day. Bye.